The name chai is actually the Hindi word for tea. Many Indians start the day with chai. It's considered more of a ritual than a beverage. There are huge variations of chai recipes. That means a beverage can take on many different flavor directions depending on the ingredients used. So, chai that's heavy on ginger and black peppercorns can leave a spicy and fiery bite. The others containing more vanilla, cinnamon, or nutmeg may leave behind a sweeter note. Traditionally, some of the most common spices used in Indian chai include cinnamon, ginger, cloves, cardamom, star anise, peppercorns. Chai is a fragrant spicy tea that may help boost your heart health, reduce your blood sugar levels, aid digestion, and also help with your weight loss. Although most of these health benefits are backed by science, it's also worth noting that they are generally linked to ingredients used in chai tea rather than the chai itself. I always use fresh ginger and pound it to get most juices and flavors out. And I also try to use a whole milk to create a thicker chai. When the milk is mixed with masalas, it will balance their flavors while elevating the spices. It does magic. If you visit India, you will see chai wallas on every corner pouring steamed tea from height to little cups. This method is usually called pulling the chai. So to achieve same frothy, beautifully spiced and milky flavor at home, I'm using an electric frother. You can always try experimenting with chai pulling at your home. This warm vanilla chai is comfort in a cup. Hope you enjoy the video. If you like the recipe, please like, share and subscribe to Rupa's Kitchen. Thank you.